In this coin project, most of the tools are the same. This metal ruler, circle cutter, a knife, scissors, double tape, unused paper, any paper. And then from the last project, we still have a leftover of OPP plastic. We will use it again. And then we need a new one. This is for final protection of the card. And this is the component of the card. So any cardboard with the same size, and then the back side. The back side, you can write any stories about the coin. So the idea is every coin has its story. We will arrange it like this: the top one, the middle card, and then the bottom one, or the back one. And the coin is €1 Italian coin. It's a circulating one, and I will put it somewhere here in the middle, and at the back it will be somewhere here. Okay, let's do it. The card component sizes are already the same, so I have pre-prepared them, so I can just straight to make a hole here through 3 layers. At first, we want to make a correct hole, and we will use unused paper just to have a correct size. So this is a bit too big. Try again. It's still a little bit too big. I want to make it tight fit. That way the coin will never move when it's... So I want the whole tight fit like this, so the coin will not move away. Okay. I will put it somewhere here, but it is wise if we start from the back, because the back has a benchmark with a picture and then the text. We don't want to make hole slightly to the left like this. We want it roughly in the center of this space, the blank space here, and then at the front is a little bit freedom there. So I'll start the hole from the back. Put all those 3 layers together and then start circling the hole. Now we can do it one at a time. See? Okay. I will put a coin straight away here and then protect it. Use double tape. Use a knife to peel the double tape. Cut the OPP plastic. And put it. Do the same on the back side. Making coin cards are my favorite project. So this is the core of the card. Next step is put double tape on all 4 sides, the perimeter of the core card, like this. And then one in the middle. Do the same on the back side. Making a coin card is not taking a long time. The most time consuming is not the coin card itself, but the design of the card. Thank you. And then stick the back side. Now into the front side. It's almost done. Now we want to tidy up the edges over here. You see, there are some excesses. I would cut it like this. Inside as well. Swish. Done. I hope you find this video is easy to understand and you can make your own card. This is part of the series, Italian Euro series. That's €1 coin, 50 cents, euro, 20 cents, 10 cents, 1 cent, 2 cents, and then the most famous 5 cents Colosseum. The last of the series will be €2 coin. Thank you for watching.